Hello there! Today we're going to learn about how people adapt to the physical environment in Namibia. Have you ever thought about how people live in different parts of Namibia? Some live near deserts, some near rivers, and others in towns or farmlands. But no matter where they are, people have to adapt. That means they need to change the way they live to suit the land and the weather. Namibia is one of the driest countries in Africa. Rain is scarce and water is precious. People build dams to catch rainwater. We have 15, in fact. Farmers use boreholes to get water from underground. And in towns, people are taught to save water, like taking short showers and fixing leaking taps. Adapting to the Namib Desert. In the Namib Desert, the land is very, very dry. How do people survive? Some communities keep goats and sheep because they live in dry areas. Tourists come to see the big red dunes and the skeleton coast. This means people adapt by working in tourism, running lodges, giving tours, or even selling crafts. Houses are built to keep cool, with small windows and thick walls. This is the heart of Namibia, with mountains and valleys, the central plateau. Farmers raise cattle, but they must keep fences and boreholes because of the dry climates. People in towns use electricity, roads, and shops, but still depend on water coming from dams like the Von Bach Dam near Okahanya. Because the land is hilly, people build terraces or step-like farms to stop soil from washing away when it rains. I'm sure if you have walked through Windhoek or driven past Marua Mall, you would see this kind of terrace being built to save our soil. The Kalahari is sandy but gets more rain than the Namib. People grow mahangu, which is a pearl millet, sorghum and maize after summer rains. The Sun people have lived here for thousands of years. They adapted by hunting animals, gathering berries and roots, and knowing where to find water in plants like the tsama melon. Adapting to the northern bushveld, which is the Caprivi and the Kavango regions. This is the wettest part of Namibia. People grow crops like maize and keep animals because there's more grass and water. Villages are often built on stilts or higher ground to avoid floods from rivers like the Zambezi. Fishing is also very important. People catch fish from rivers to eat and sell. So class, no matter if it's desert, plateau or wet bushveld, Namibians find ways to live with their environment. Saving water, farming wisely, building homes to suit the weather, using the land for tourism, farming, or fishing. This shows us that people and nature are always connected. To live in Namibia, we must respect the land and use it wisely.